Get perspective from someone with zero skin in the game. Sometimes the most valuable advice you'll ever receive doesn't come from the people closest to you. It comes from the people who have nothing to gain from your decision. Why? Because they see what others can't. Friends and family often mean well, but their opinions are usually filtered through fear, comfort, or their own limitations. They'll tell you to play it safe, stay where it's familiar, avoid the risk. But the truth is, growth has never lived inside comfort. If you really want to change your life, build something bigger, and create real financial freedom, you need perspective from people who've already done it. People who understand what it takes to build residual income, create leverage, and think long term. That's one of the biggest reasons people align with TruPowur. This isn't about chasing hype or gambling on a dream. This is about stepping into a proven industry where people are already spending money every single month and positioning yourself to earn from helping them reduce that expense. No inventory, no storefront, no employees, no massive startup capital. Just a real opportunity to build something that compounds. At TruPowur, you're not just learning how to sell energy, you're learning how to build a business, create leverage, and develop income streams that can grow month after month, year after year. And sometimes, all it takes is hearing from the right person at the right time, someone with no agenda except helping you see what's possible. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit truepowercareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.